Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to remove categories in WordPress. And as always, we are using InstaWP to set up our WordPress environment. So InstaWP allows you to launch up to 10 WordPress installations free of charge. And if we create a free account, if we click on register, our WordPress installations will be online for up to 48 hours. And without registering an account, our installations will be online for up to 8 hours, and there is no cost to InstaWP at all. It does everything for you behind the scenes, so check them out, instawp.io. So today we are going to be working with categories, and basically categories just organize our posts. So if we had a tech blog, for example, with articles on Android, iOS, Windows 10, for example, we can use categories to just organize those posts. And sometimes we create too many categories and we may want to delete them. So I will show you how to both create and remove categories. So from our dashboard, we move to the left side of the page and hover over posts and click on categories. So this is the categories page, and you see here we can add a new category, and over here on the right side, this is where we will see our categories. So we have one category so far, and it's called Uncategorized, and this category basically groups every post that has not been assigned to a specific category. Okay, so let's pretend that we have a tech blog and we want to create some categories. So we just want to go over to the Add New Category section, and under Name, we just want to type in the name of our category. So let's call this Emulators. And we just need to click on this Add New Category button, or press Return or Enter on our keyboards. Okay, so let's add a few more. Let's do Android, iOS, Windows 10, Linux, hardware, and software. Alright, so we have added a few categories, and let's say we no longer have use for this emulators category and we want to delete it. We just need to hover over the category and click delete. Our browser will display a prompt. We just need to click on OK. Alright, so we have deleted our emulators category. So let's say we wanted to delete multiple categories all at once. We just need to click on the checkbox next to the categories that we want to delete. So let's say we want to delete software, hardware, Android, and Windows 10. We just need to go up to Bulk Actions, click on Delete, and Apply. Okay, so we have deleted all of our categories except iOS and Linux. But we still have our uncategorized category. So to delete this, we would need to change our default category to one of those, either iOS or Linux. So we just need to hover over Settings, then go to Writing. In the default post category section, we need to select iOS or Linux. Let's do Linux. So we have selected Linux as our default post category. We just need to save changes. Okay, so Linux is now our default category, our default post category. So if we go back to posts, hover, then go to categories, we now see that Uncategorized now has a checkbox next to it and it could be deleted. So we just want to click on delete. Our browser will display the prompt. Click on OK. And we have deleted our uncategorized category.